Buy everything for less. I know you're not taught to think this way, but isn't that part of why you're here? To learn different ways? This lesson will not apply to everyone. My hopes are that this lesson doesn't apply to anyone. Unfortunately, I'm sure this lesson does apply to some of you. I want you to pause this video and pull out your last credit card statement that has interest on it. Not a debit card statement, that's just your checking account statement. We need a credit card statement. I'm giving you time to click on pause. Okay. On your last credit card statement, look at the amount you were charged for interest and fees. Okay, got that? So the question is, do you have so much extra money that you can donate that much of your money to the bank? Because that's what you're doing. You bought whatever it was with a credit card while no one was forcing you to do it. You weren't forced to pay those fees. You volunteered to pay them. You have no product for that money. It's like a donation to the bank. And it's not even tax deductible. Now visualize that number times 10. Move the decimal point to the right, one place. That's about what you'll donate to the bank in 10 to 12 months. Can you afford to give away that kind of money and have nothing to show for it? Picture the price of the product that you bought with these fees added to that price. Would you have paid that higher price for the product? Well, you just did. So stop using credit cards to buy stuff. Credit cards are not for consumables like food, clothing, gas for the car, movies, etc. You should pay for those from your daily living account. If it isn't stated on your budget, on the debts, bills, cars, or savings pages, then it's a daily living expense. Don't buy it with a credit card. If you're one of those rare people that pays their card in full every month and doesn't pay any interest or fees, then congratulations. Keep up the good work. The rest of you, stop it! That's one of the things that contributes to financial troubles. All those fees and interests are slowly bleeding you dry. When fully implemented, TAVs will help you to stop using credit cards to buy stuff. For now, don't cancel any credit cards. Just stop using them. Your Bill's credit card is the only exception, and it shouldn't be used to buy stuff. Canceling a credit card can have a negative impact on your credit score. Now's not the time for that. Wait till your score is high enough to withstand the impact of canceling a card. Also, except for one major credit card, stop carrying all other credit cards, especially those single store credit cards. You know, the ones that are only good at one store. Any savings they give you generally aren't worth having the card and the extra bill to pay, especially if you pay interest on it. Clean up your wallet, your mind, and your finances. Stop carrying all single store credit cards. If you must use a credit card, use a major credit card that is accepted almost everywhere. If you use a single store credit card, never carry a balance. If you don't have a major credit card in today's world, you need to get one. You don't have to use it, but your credit score depends on you having it. If you get new cards from the bank where your checking account is, then you can make card payments simply by logging in and doing a transfer. You won't have to write a check and pray that it gets there before you get charged for interest. Another bank may offer better points or miles or cash back, but I think the transfer convenience is worth more. In another lesson, I'll cover a method to help you get debts paid off at a faster rate. Thanks for watching. Bill averaging, a way to hide savings and costs. Many people have gotten bill averaging implemented on their utility bills. In my opinion, this is a service that you should avoid. Bill averaging works by charging customers the same amount every month, regardless of the actual usage in any one month. So in months when you use a lot of electricity, you'll pay less than you really used for that one month. But you catch up by paying more than you actually use in other months. That has the effect of masking the true bill behind an average of 12 months. While it can make it easier to pay the same amount every month, doing so helps to hide the benefits of any cutbacks you may implement to save money, and thereby end up using more and paying more. For example, you decide that you need to cut back on electricity. You then turn your heat and air conditioner completely off and try to tough it out. For easy math, let's say that in just 1 month, you saved $120 of electricity. That $120 of savings then gets averaged into your bill over the next 12 months at a savings of $10 per month. Your next 12 bills will be $10 less than before. When you see your bill go down only $10, you then decide that for just $10, you're going to be comfortable and turn the heat and AC back on. The next month, your heat and AC are on, but your bill still shows your $10 savings per month from the month you had everything off. You then decide to be really comfortable and start using more electricity than before. Tabs is designed to help you think backwards and do your own buffering so that you can still fully see those large and small bills, and therefore all the benefits of any savings efforts that you take. When properly set up, Tabs will effectively do automatic averaging for you. This averaging is done at the income end of your finances, not the expense side. This way, when you get the large electric bill, you'll be able to pay it and still get the same weekly, daily living allowance. Remember, you're not taught to think this way, so they can make more money from your mistakes. Thanks for watching.